Sir, Madam, and Srikant. The evolution in surgery for endometrial cancer, we all know that endometrial cancer, the surgery has been fairly standard for the last century. But there has been a sort of an evolution or a revolution, whatever you may say, with the newer modalities coming in. And to begin with, it was a radical surgery, then it became some kind of conservative surgery, then now ultra radical surgery, and finally it has become what we call as stage specific surgery or surgery tailored for the stage of the disease. With the newer modalities which have come in, whether laparoscopy, robotic or open surgery is better, there are a lot of controversies still there, and there is a lot of myths also there. So which is the best procedure to be done? There are a lot of controversies and it's a stormy sea to basically say. In all this, what is important is the tumor biology of the disease. We all know that endometrial cancers is basically a locoregional problem, and usually, primarily, it is a locoregional problem with sequential spread. So the bedrock of management in endometrial cancers is to take care of the locoregional disease. If any modality of surgery is taken to do the surgery and it achieves a good control, then the chances of cure are high. So for the benefit of the audience, where a fair sprinkling of postgraduates is there, I would just go through the basics. Endometrial cancers, to begin with, could spread locally to the adnexa, ovaries, to the surface of the uterus, and to the peritoneum and the fluid. Then the regional spread could be through the iliac group of lymph nodes, the obturator, common iliac, or go up to the para-aortic level. So these are the areas which need to be controlled. But do these areas need to be addressed in all the surgeries or all the stages? That's what we will look into. If you look at the lymphatic spread, which is the most important prognosticator or which governs what is going to be the survival or cure rate of the patient, the important thing here to see is, apart from the usual things, is that the grade of the tumor, the LVSI, and the most important above all is the subtype. The clear cell and the serous, they have a poor prognosis compared to the usual endometrial type. Now, what is the surgical staging we do in endometrial cancer? For the benefit of the audience, peritoneal fluid cytology, sampling, hysterectomy, BSO, pelvic and para-aortic lymphadenectomy. The various procedures which are done by the traditional gold standard, which is the laparotomy, the laparoscopy, and the new kid on the block, which is the robotic. Now, which of these is better? If at all, anyone is better. Dr. Somashekar alluded to the GOG Lab 2 trial, but I will try to clear some controversies there which he couldn't cover. See, the GOG Lab 2 trial was for early endometrial cancer. It did not include anything beyond 2A. It did not cover the locally advanced cancers. So it just covered stage 1 and 2A, and that too grade 1, 2, 3 endometrioid cancers without LVSI, without the clear cell or serous histology, which carry a very poor prognosis and which are more aggressive tumors. So basically it looked at early endometrial cancers with good histology. And the outcome of the trial, the data which became mature in 2014, was that laparoscopy is feasible and safe as compared to open surgery. It is no way superior to open surgery. The take-home message here is, it's no way superior to open surgery. But it does have better short-term outcomes. What are short-term outcomes? The post-op pain, early ambulation, scar recovery, quality of life, all these things are better in laparoscopy. There is beyond doubt. There is no doubt about it. But overall survival, disease-free survival, they are equal. Laparoscopy is in no ways superior to open surgery, where DFS, overall survival, is concerned. Short-term outcomes, that is 6 weeks from the day of surgery, are far superior in laparoscopic surgery. Now, no randomized trial has been done for robotics, but if you extrapolate the data from the laparoscopy GOG trial, definitely robotics does have a role currently.